All right, so big day today. I feel like every day is a big day every time I make a video, but today is actually an awesome step. We started on hanging the sheetrock. We went ahead and subbed this out. We decided not to do it ourselves just because sheetrock is an art and we want it to look good. But Bill hired these guys for us. They've done some work for me in the past and they do a really good job. So anyways, first day, they came in here and hung it and it looks awesome. But I'll show you what we got so far. Here's the living room. They've got it done. In here they had to hang it in the ceiling and on the walls obviously. But it is completely done in here, hung. Looks great. On into the dining room. They got some pieces here around our new hearth that Bill built. The entryway looks awesome. We're planning on, I've talked about this in the past videos, but we plan on putting a new window here. But we're gonna do that later. But this all looks so good. We ran out of sheetrock. We got short ones here, obviously, but we ran out. So they're gonna go pick up some more tomorrow. Bill is. But we got all this done. I don't know if you can see in here. It's kind of dark here in the bathroom, but they got it finished, hung, and then on down here, we went ahead and decided to do this room. This will be Levi's room, and Bill redid the doorway, reframed up a new doorway here for the closet, but this is it. And then we wasn't gonna do this bedroom, but we decided to go ahead and just knock it out because we had extra, but then we didn't have enough, so now they're gonna go get some more. But this is gonna be the girls' room, and this is the closet. Real quick, I'll talk about what we did here. So originally in this room, we just had one closet here, and it went to right here. And then this was actually not a closet, a closet opening. It wasn't a closet opening. This led into this room's closet. So what we did was we put a stud there, put two doors here. The girls are gonna have a little bit bigger closet, and then this back bedroom will be. We're gonna work on that at a later date, but yeah, so they're gonna be hanging sheetrock in here. We're gonna scrape popcorn sometime as they're hanging it, get that knocked out. But we're excited. It's looking great. It's moving quick again. You know, when you're remodeling a house, you know, sometimes it just takes time, and sometimes things don't move quickly, but then all of a sudden it's like, boom, things are moving like super quick. So this is what it's doing now. It's moving really quick. So our goal was to be in the house hopefully by Christmas. It's December 8th. So we're looking good. We're looking good. You know, we're not gonna be finished, but at least we'll be able to, you know, move into one of the bedrooms. And so yeah, but anyways, yeah, looking good. What's up? So, as you can tell, behind me, we got sheetrock. The sheetrock is finally done. It's been hung, it's been finished, it's been textured. So now it's about to be painted. What me and Elizabeth are doing today, we're gonna paint. But yeah. And so it took a little bit for it to dry. And so that's kind of why we've been behind a little bit on the house. We wanted to be in the house before Christmas. Today's like the 22nd, I think. So it might happen, might not, I don't know. But yeah, real quick, I'll give you all a tour of what we did as far as the sheetrock. So this is the living room, the new living room. Looks really good in here. And this is looking into the dining room and the entryway. And right here, the last video I posted of Bill building the hearth, and we have the stove set in place, but we don't have it hooked up yet. But we got everything covered in here to get ready for paint. And but yeah, so this all turned out really good. In here is the bathroom. You can't see it. The new bathroom, if you can see it, is one of the bedrooms. Turned out really good. The closet. Got Barbies everywhere. And then in here is one of the other bedrooms that we finished. And the closets. We were originally just going to do that bedroom over there first and then work on these other two back bedrooms. We ended up getting extra rock, so we just decided to go ahead and just knock this bedroom out. That way when we do move in, we could sleep in here and the kids can sleep in there for the time being. That's the tour of what we had done with the sheetrock. We're super excited. It turned out really good. Charlie and his guys did amazing work. And yeah, like I said earlier in the intro, we're gonna start painting. I've already started on the closets, the ceilings in there. Got one coat of them already done. Already got a coat around the edges in here and the ceiling in here and around the hearth here. In here in the dining room and the kitchen, this is older sheetrock, so it's yellow. There's a lot of age on it, and so what we went with for the ceiling paint, well, it's kind of a paint primer, is this Kills stuff right here. And Bill recommended it, and so that's what we're going with. It's an oil-based paint. It was quite a bit more expensive than the other stuff, but we need something that wouldn't bleed through. So I'm hoping this works. But that's what we're going to do today, so we're going to get after it. May not show a lot of footage of us painting because I don't know if people want to just watch us paint. Maybe they do, I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to get after it. Oh yeah, y'all see this out here? It's snowing. It's really cold, so anyways, we're going to get after it. All right, quick update on what I got going on. We have ceilings done in the kitchen, here in the dining room, and both bedrooms and the bathroom done. We used the kilts. It worked out pretty good. It covered pretty good. We used nearly all 5 gallons that we had for all that. But that's okay. We got everything covered pretty good. Probably gonna need another coat on the ceilings, I bet, but we can probably use our regular paint now. So yeah, that's where we're at. Looks pretty good. It covered. I don't know if you can even see this in the video, but covered really well. It's still dry, so there's still some kind of, you know, unevenness here. But anyways, I think we're gonna change some paint brushes and start on the walls, or actually start on in here probably next. So yeah, oh yeah, I'll show y'all the update of outside. It's cold. Yeah, we got about a couple inches of snow. Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset. But it's freezing outside. Freezing. So, anyways, we're gonna keep on working. What you eating, sissy?
I didn't
What are you eating?
I was going to
You eating Go-Gurt? Okay, so update. We're calling it quits for tonight, but we got all the ceiling painted in here. Yeah. So just to recap, we got, I think, all the ceiling's done, somewhat done. We're gonna let it dry and see how it looks. This may need another coat. I did 2 coats of the kilns in the kitchen and the dining room. The bedrooms look pretty good, but we'll let it dry overnight and see what it looks like. But I have to go back to work tomorrow for the next couple of days, so won't be able to get to work on it until I get off. Yeah, so it's going good. When this video comes out, it'll probably be after Christmas. I may go ahead and put it out. I haven't decided yet. But anyways, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and we'll see you on the next one.